Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to do our textbook page number 38. The topic of our work is simple future. Simple future. Future is something you have done. Future. Future something you have to do, not you have to done this. Read the notes about Tahir's visit to Karachi. Tahir doesn't visit to Karachi, but he plans to visit the Karachi. Write sentences about what he will do. For example, Tahir will get up at 6 a.m. on Thursday, October 4th. He will. These are the notes, and you will have to make the sentences of that notes and write them on your book. First one sentence is also done. Second one is he will. Use will in each sentence. Will is the identification or of future, simple future tense. He will get up at 6 a.m. Tahir will leave home 6:30 a.m. He will take bus to Karachi at 7 a.m. Tahir will meet. Will. You always use will. Tahir will meet Uncle Kaleem at 8 a.m. He will arrive at Karachi Stadium 8:30 a.m. Tahir will watch cricket match at 10 a.m. and then he will return home late. Write these sentences in that place. Now on workbook page number 26. Look at Tahir's diary page. Answer the questions. These are the questions you should have to answer by looking at the diary of Tahir. This is Monday diary, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday of October. What will Tahir do after school on Monday? Cricket practice after school. He will. Use will. He will have cricket practice. When will Tahir go to the dentist? On the day of Tuesday. Tahir will go to the dentist on Tuesday. As the name of the day, the first letter is capital. When will he play in a cricket match? At the Wednesday. He will play in a match on Wednesday. Who will have a party this week? Who will have a party this week? Party. Where is the party? Jalal will have a party. Jalal Beach picnic. Jalal Beach picnic is a party on Saturday. Who will have a party this week? Jalal. Jalal. Jalal will have a party. What will he do on Sunday? What will he do on Sunday? Sunday school visit Auntie Seema. He will visit Auntie Seema. How many times will he play cricket this week? 1, 2. He will play cricket 2 times. Now you have to do this workbook and also textbook page.